Today, I'm going to show you how to make pasta Alfredo with prosciutto cotto. For this recipe, you're going to need some heavy cream, a little cooked ham, some freshly grated Parmigiano, some butter, fresh cracked black pepper, and some fresh pasta. I've added the heavy cream to a saute pan, and it's just starting to boil. At this point, you want to add a little Parmigiano and some butter and some black pepper. Stir it around and create the sauce. Here I have some fresh fettuccine. I'm going to add it to some generously salted boiling water and cook until al dente. We're going to strain it, add it to the sauce, add a little bit more Parmigiano, some freshly chopped ham, toss it, and we're ready to plate it up. There you have a beautiful, fresh pasta with cream and ham. Buon appetito!